Okay, good morning everyone. Welcome back to the online class. Alright, so today is Wednesday, right? Okay, so Wednesday we are going to study about the Hangout 5 and the Grammar Galaxy 2. Okay, so today first video we will study about the Hangout 5 together. Alright, so as what you can see on the whiteboard, it is about Unit 8, right? Okay, so today we will focus on the page 89. So now let's turn the book to page 89 together and we will study about the core structure of the Unit 8. So the core structure, which is a kind of a grammar that you are going to study in this video, is about the present progressive. Okay, so what is present progressive, everyone? Okay, so some of you heard present continuous. So for present continuous and present progressive are the same, okay? Sometimes we can call it as present progressive or present continuous. They are not different, okay? But the difference is the present progressive or present continuous are using with two different things, okay? I mean, two different situations, all right? So as what you have studied so far, we studied or we used the present continuous to talk about something that happened right now or something that is happening at the moment of speaking, right? So these are what you studied before, but today teacher will guide you more about the usings of present continuous in the meaning of future plans. Okay, now let's talk about present progressive with future meaning. So what are the future meaning, everyone? So teacher will give you some of the future meaning, like the word phrase that show about the future, right? Okay, so we have the word tomorrow, okay, the word next week. What else, everyone? What are they? Okay, so there are the word like 2 minutes later, right? Yeah, 2 minutes later or 1 hour later. And what else? Okay, so we have like next year. All right, so there are many words that we can talk about. This is used for the future meaning, okay? Okay, so like tomorrow, next week, 2 minutes later, next year. So all of these are what we call the future phrase that we can talk about the something that's going to be happened in the another following day, okay? So everyone, so these are about the meaning of the present progressive when we use it to talk about the future, okay? So I want to tell you more. How can we use the present progressive to talk about the future? Do we need to change any form? No. For the present progressive, it still keep its form as subject plus be plus verb ing. Okay, so as we know that subject plus be plus verb ing is about the present progressive, that we can use it as to talk about the future meaning. Okay, so how about like if you want to change it into the negative form or question form? Okay, so those are the same as what you have studied, right? Okay, so like again for the positive form, and the subject plus be plus verb ing. If you want to change it, if you want to change the meaning into the negative form, you just add not, right? Okay, you just add not like this. Subject plus not. Okay, you just add not here. Subject plus not plus be plus not plus verb ing. So it is about the negative form in the sentence. Okay, so now let's take a look at the whiteboard together. So look at the example here. What are you doing tomorrow? Okay, so what are you doing tomorrow? What are you doing tomorrow? Okay, so how can you answer this question? So this question is, want to know that what are you doing tomorrow? Something that you plan to do tomorrow, that you arrange to do tomorrow. Okay, so now we talk about the word arrange. I know some of you may catch up the word arrange and plan. Okay, so as in here, the present progressive that we use is with the future meaning and something that we arrange to do or something that we plan to do. For example, like the question again, what are you doing tomorrow? Yeah, the meaning is what is your plan for tomorrow? Okay, or what's something that you arrange for tomorrow. For example, like if tomorrow you will, you arrange to walk the dog, you can say, I'm walking the dog. I'm walking the dog. Okay, I'm walking the dog. So in this answer, it's reply to the question above. What are you doing tomorrow? Okay, so for example, like if you say I'm walking the dog, I'm walking the dog, and you are talking on the phone, and then you say, oh, I'm walking the dog. So in this situation, it is not about the future meaning, but the meaning is about the something in progress. Okay, like right now, if I say yes, I am teaching, so the listener may understand that, oh, right now I am teaching. Okay, but if I say I am teaching tomorrow, I am teaching tomorrow, so I add the word tomorrow in here. See everyone, I add the word tomorrow, which is about the time phrase that talk about the future. The thing that I add in this sentence is the word tomorrow. I'm walking the dog tomorrow. So it means like what I arrange to do tomorrow is walking the dog. Okay? So now let's try to make more sentences by look at the picture on page 89. Okay, so what you can see the picture on page 89, you will see the picture in part C, right? So actually we have completed about part C already. So now let's try to make sentences. You doing tomorrow. Okay, so what I told you already, that we has many more phrases that talk about the future. Like not only the word tomorrow, perhaps we have the word next week, next month, next year, so on and so on, that talk about the future. Okay, so now let's start with the question, what are you doing tomorrow? By looking at the picture, which is on page 89. So on page 89, part C, so you will see many pictures. So now let's begin with picture letter A. Okay, can you see everyone the picture letter A? What is it? All right, so now let's answer the question. Start from what everyone look at the picture letter A together. It is about what? It is about do housework, right? Okay, you can say I'm doing housework. Okay, see? Yes. What are you doing tomorrow? I'm doing housework tomorrow. Or you can add the word tomorrow at the end. You can say like this. All right? I'm doing housework tomorrow. So it means like the listener will understand you about, oh, you plan or you arrange to do the housework tomorrow. Okay? Okay, so next I want you to make a sentence by using the picture letter G. Okay, look at picture letter G together. So picture letter G, as what you can see, there are two people, they are playing golf, right? Okay, so now let's answer the question again. What are you doing tomorrow? Okay, how can you answer this? That's what I told you already. We gonna start with subject plus be, am, and we need to add the verb ing, right? Okay, so picture letter G is about playing golf, right? Okay, so you can say playing. You can write playing. So I'm playing what? Playing golf. Yes, you can say I am playing golf tomorrow. All right? I am playing golf tomorrow. Now let's make more sentence. So in this sentence, I want to use the word tomorrow in front of the sentence. Okay, tomorrow. For example, I use the picture letter G. Sorry, letter E. Okay, as what you can see, the last picture letter E is they are on bed, right? And perhaps they have a sleepover, right? Okay, so I just want to use the word tomorrow in front of the sentence. Okay, look carefully. The word tomorrow in here, when you want to put it in front of the sentence, you have to put comma. Okay, tomorrow, comma, I am. Okay, picture letter E is about the have a sleepover. Okay, I am, have is the verb, right? Okay, have is the verb, so we just add ing. I am having a sleepover. All right. Yeah. Tomorrow I am having a sleepover. See you, everyone. Okay. So everyone, this is about the usage of present progressive. So for other picture, like we have letter D, B, letter H, F, C. So all of those, I just want all of you try to create more sentences by using this core structure, which is about present progressive with the future meaning. That's what I have explained you at the moment. Okay. All right. So if you have any question regarding to the using of the present progressive that talk about the future meaning, so feel free to ask your teacher. And one more thing is, don't forget to make more sentences by looking at the picture on page 89, which is in part C. Okay? Alright, good job everyone. So this is the end of the first video. See you in the second video.